Good evening, my warriors. Welcome to the first Menti Quiz for the 11th standard kids out here. So, I hope the Josh is high, and I'm Shreyas, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu going live. Hello, Ankit, Sakshi, Samuel, Vijay, Tharishan. Hello, Ankit. Hello, Abhishek. Hello, Shreyas Kapri. Welcome aboard. Hello, Sal Kumari. Hello, Navmi. Welcome. This is Shreyas. I'm your master teacher for physics at Vedantu. I not only conduct my classes out here on YouTube, but also on the Pro subscription. So if you are probably on the Vedantu platform, you would have seen me. And if you have not seen me yet, you can definitely go ahead and check out all the micro courses that I'm teaching in. Welcome aboard to the Menti session. This is specially meant for all the 11th standard students who have just passed out, hopefully, from the 10th standard. I know you guys didn't have exams. You have lost touch from your exams. So guys, this Menti quiz is meant to make sure that you get into the mood for your JEE preparation. You cannot let your spirits die. You cannot let your guard down. You have to keep yourself motivated. You have to push yourself. So let's begin with our first Menti quiz for today. And guys, if you want to know more about me, definitely you can follow me on my Instagram handle, that's Shreyas_Vedantu. Okay, and by the way, before going ahead, let me not forget to tell you that yes, please hit the like and the subscribe button down there. If you have not yet hit the like button, please do that, because this is a free channel for all of you. So all the effort that we put in, come on, you need to show us your love and support. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get all the lectures. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a 2021, 2022 or 2023 aspiring student. We are always there for you. Hi Sudhiti, hi Arts, hello Sakshi, hello Chiranjeevi, hi Leo, hi Harini, hello Chiranjeevi, hi Shruti, hello Prabhanshu, welcome aboard. I'm very good, Sakshi, thank you very much. Hi Aishwarya, good evening. Hello Ankit Rushan, good evening, welcome aboard. Hi Aman, I hope you guys are very well prepared. By the way, this is the timetable for this week. In case you have missed any of the classes, you can definitely go ahead and check it out in the playlist or in the past videos. Remember, tomorrow is a session for all the 12th standard students on Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. And on Saturday at 7 o'clock, not 7:30, keep that in mind. At 7 o'clock, you're going to have topper stocked session for all the students, be it 10th, be it 12th, be it 11th, be it a dropper, it doesn't matter. So this is a very important session for all of you. So be there at 7 o'clock. It's going to be a small session out there. And before I go ahead, let me also tell you about a very important thing, guys, and that's very crucial, because a lot of dropper students are also here, and some of the even 12th standard students are here, some of the 11th standard students are here. Vedantu is launching pro subscription batches as well as crash course batches in the coming few weeks. So this is for all the students who are aspiring for the JEE examination, or for maybe this year or even next year or even the year after that. So we have batches for 11th, 12th, as well as students who want to write the examination this year. We have a crash course, we have pro subscription for long-term batches. In these batches, you get the complete syllabus done with replays, PDFs, and these PDFs, these notes, these replays are available till the end of your course. Yes, till the last day of your course, till the examination is over. It's not like other institutes where the material just goes away within few days. So this is very important for you guys to know, because Vedantu students have been performing really well, and that's the reason why I talk about these subscriptions. I talk about all these crash courses. Like, there are lots of tests in this which helps you analyze your performance and improve on your performance with doubt solving and personalized intervention. All of this is available at a very good rate. So you can go ahead, check out the description box for pro subscription courses, and it starts with the light package, then the classic and the plus. The only difference between them is whether you want doubt solving and do you want personal mentorship or no. So you can use my coupon code SHHPRO for availing 10% off. That's the maximum discount coupon code that you can get out here. So having said that, let's join the Menti quiz by going to menti.com and hitting the code 54754616. I've also pinned the Menti code in the chat box. You can see that it's already pinned in the chat box. So go ahead, check it out. It's already there. So all you need to do is probably go to menti.com. So just go to menti.com like this out here. Yep, just type menti.com. Yep, go there and just you need to enter the Menti code. So what's the Menti code for today? It's 54754616. Remember, do not post the answers in the YouTube chat box. You need to post your answers out here. Now some tips for scoring really well in Menti. Keep 2 tabs open. One is of YouTube, second is of Menti. Okay, let me just choose my name. So I am Captain Shreyas, let's say. Okay, so I'm Captain Shreyas, I'm joining the quiz. Okay, so keep 2 tabs, one is for Menti, one is for YouTube. The audio, the video from YouTube might take 10 to 15 seconds to reach you. But the Menti quiz will come in front of your screen almost instantaneously as soon as I press the next button out here. So there are 15 questions and the questions will keep coming on the Menti screen. You need to keep pressing the correct answers. Remember, you only get points when you hit the correct option. If you give a wrong answer, you do not get any points. Also, remember one more thing, when you answer correctly but quickly, you get slightly more points. But that does not mean that you answer in a haste, because then there is a risk of losing those points if your answer is incorrect. So be patient, solve it carefully. Most of the questions have 30-second time limit. Towards the end, the time limit increases as the difficulty level of the questions also increase. I will also show you the leaderboard of how you guys are performing time to time, but not for every question. So I hope you guys are ready and full of josh. Yes, so speed as well as accuracy. I hope you have heard all the instructions really carefully, and yes, this should be the screen that should be there. Yep, on your computers or on your mobile phones. So let's begin with the Menti quiz and let's see who all have joined. Oh my god, look at that. Our Menti quiz is full of creatures, animals, and a lot of weird things like bunnies, foxes, dogs, cats, hearts, donuts, umbrellas, mouse, fish, truck, gift box, honeybees, bananas, fish, lollipop, lions, leaf, goat, detective, paperclip, footsteps, robos, you name it, ghosts, and so many people out here. Very good, very good. A lot of people out there. And guys, you can probably type it out in the chat box which avatar is yours, so that you guys know each other, who is who, and when you see your avatar out there, you might feel proud and you might feel good about it. So guys, remember one more thing. Oh, by the way, the Menti code is out there even in the chat box. I posted it on the Telegram group and it's also going to be there here. Okay, even if you are late, do not worry, you can always join. If you get disconnected, join back. The game is all about consistency. Some people might join in late, but you might see their names up in the leaderboard because they were very consistent, they were patient. So guys, the game is all about patience and answering questions correctly. It's not just about answering fast. Okay, the code is 54754616. 54754616. All right, so a lot of you are out here. Hi Cat Sharon, welcome aboard. Okay, Ankit is the ring, Vijay Sharon is detective. Hi Shiva, welcome aboard. Sharvin is bunny, Shruti is train. Okay, and ABCD is crown. Okay, come on guys, joined. Are you guys ready to start the game? The game is on, says Clay Tsunami. Yep, very good, very good. Vijay Taran, I'm always there for you. Thank you very much for all your kind words. Okay, let's start. Let's begin. Okay, one tip. I will be giving you a bonus, as in I'll be reading the question in front of you before the question is actually seen, so that you have a head start. So keep listening to me on YouTube and also keep another tab open of Menti Quiz. So get ready. I'm starting the quiz now. Okay. So the first question has a ratio. Some ratio is given, A is to B, and then they have asked what is A plus B upon A minus B. Okay. So that's the question and it should be up on your screen right now. Yes, go check it out. It should be there on your screen. A upon B is given and the question is what is A plus B upon A minus B. Come on, think about it. Options are there. Be careful. Do not mark the wrong answer. You might lose marks. Don't be in a haste. Be careful while tick marking. Do not misclick. Be patient. All right. The game is all about accuracy more than speed. Okay. So if you are very hasty, then probably you might lose some marks. Okay. Tushar says, do you watch anime? No, Tushar, no, not yet. But I don't have time. But I do want to watch anime at some point of time. Abhishek, you will be blocked. So, Saul, you will be also blocked for spamming out here. Remember, you cannot post the answers out here. Yes, you cannot post the answers out here. Yep. Okay. So, a lot of you got it correct. Well, the correct answer is 19 by 13. And well, that's around, okay, 76% of the students have got the answer correct. Beautiful, guys. That's very cool of you. Now, let me tell you how to solve this question before showing you the leaderboard. This is based on a property called as componendo dividendo. So you just need to use that componendo dividendo. So that property says a plus b upon a minus b is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. So if numerator by denominator is numerator by denominator, then numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator will be the same thing on the other side. And that's going to give you obviously 19 by 13. That's the answer. Yep. Looks like you guys got it. Beautiful. Yes, a lot of you got it. Excellent day. So remember, guys, do not post the answers out here, else you might get banned or you might get timed out by our admin out here. Yes. Okay. Let's see the leaderboard. This is how the leaderboard looks like. Oh, somebody says Shreyas Sir sucks. Okay, fine, no problem. It's okay. Okay. Manaswini says no more rest. What? No more rest, student suicide. It's okay. KM saying Siva Kashyap, Vishwai, Prince, Pavitra, Tony, Chopper, Samuel John, Mehul, fan of Wazim Sir. Very good, very good. So let's get going to the next one. Coming up on your screen now. And this question will be on a graph. Your graph will be given to you, and in that graph you have to identify which is the correct equation which represents that graph. Let's see. There is a graph which is given to you. And you just need to figure out the correct equation which describes that particular graph. So let's see how many of you can get this. Okay, let's see. Come on, guys, fight it out. Question should be coming up on your screen. All your attention on the screen now. You can see that graph. Look at your phone. Yep, monkey D. Luffy, we should take out. Anyways, I don't mind. I mean, big, it doesn't make any difference. Just because somebody says I suck doesn't mean I really suck. And just because somebody praises me a lot doesn't mean I become a very big personality. Alright, so I am who I am. Hello, Shweta S. Vanakam. Ragunesh Kumar, you need to do both. Okay, so hardly 6 seconds remaining. Okay, and the time should be up on your screen. And yes, the time is up. Let's have a look. Okay, beautiful. And there we go. 34% got it correct. Lot of you got it wrong. Now let's see why the correct option is A. See, guys, the idea is this is a U-shaped graph. This is like a parabola. And whenever you have a parabola, that time you have a quadratic equation. You have nothing but a quadratic equation. Remember that. Yes, this is what you're doing. Now, understand the options that were given, some of them were quadratic. The last option was linear equation, if I'm not wrong. Yes, one of the last option was a linear equation. So that is obviously ruled out. Now, can you see that this point is below the horizontal line? It's below the horizontal line. In fact, this point is negative. This is the x-axis. In fact, this point tells you when you put x is equal to 0, okay, when you put the x coordinate as 0, you get the y coordinate as a negative. Now, that will only happen when y is equal to x square minus c. Because when you put minus c, look at that, when x is 0, y will come out to be a negative number. So that's why the answer is x square minus c. If it was x square plus c, then the graph would have been over here. It would have shifted up, but it has shifted down. In fact, when I showed you on Desmos also, I hope you were there during that class where I showed you all the graphs. When I put minus c, it came down. When I put plus c, it goes up. So hence, that is the correct answer. Beautiful. Yes, c is more than 0. Correct. Correct, Kirito. C is more than 0. But minus c will then be a negative number. So As a whole, it is a negative number. That means it comes down. I hope that's clear. Okay, great, Manaswini, you attempted. Yes, we played with graphs. So who is Kiruto? Kiruto is monkey. So monkey is Kiruto. Yes, that's who is. Okay, that's his nickname, I guess. Okay, and let's have a look at the leaderboard out there. Okay, let's do this. Okay. My God, somebody is just trying to intimidate us. I don't care, guys, really. So we have Topper Shiva, we have KM Singh, we have Ranzar, we have Virat Dal, we have Harry, hi-fi sir, we have Srinidhi, we have Aman, hello sir, we have Pranav, we have Chinmay. Very good. All the people out here, excellent, very good. So let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Yes, and there we go. And question number 3 will be coming up. So I'll first read out the question for you guys. There is x as a function of time. X is the function of time. Sai Rutvik, don't worry bacha, even if you are late, you can still join the Menti Quiz. You can still join the Menti Quiz using the code 54754616. 54754616. That's the Menti code. Just go to menti.com. Don't worry, even if you're lost 2 questions, there are more questions. Participate, you will have fun and you will enjoy it. That, trust my word. Okay, so the question is, x is a function of time, and the question is, when is x 0? When as in the value of time. So read the question carefully. There is a quadratic equation which is given, and you will see that there is probably 1 or more values of time when x is 0. So this is the function. X is 2t square minus 5t plus 3. Oh, this is not equal to 0, guys. I mean, the question is, what is the value of time when this is equal to 0? Just think about it. Come on, let's see how many of you can do this. Come on. Chiranjeevi, just please try and press refresh. I hope this will work. Come on. Think about it carefully. Rotational motion is missing. Shakir Ahmed, this is a first chapter of 11th standard, so obviously rotation won't be there. Okay, Ramendra Sahu, you will be blocked out here for spamming. Remember that. Okay. Yes. Okay, so a lot of you got it correct. Beautiful, guys. 45% got it correct. Yes, the correct answers are 1 and 3/2. You could have just substituted. How many of you just substituted the values and got it? I mean, that was the most easiest layman stupid method to get this, but I mean, that still works. But the other way will be using our equation minus b as in minus of minus 5, which is plus 5, plus or minus root of divided by 2a. A is nothing but 2, b square is nothing but 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c, which is 3. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So this will become root of 1. So it will be 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 4. Correct? So this will be 6 by 4, or 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 4, which means it is 3 by 2 or 1. So both the values of time are possible. So at this time and this time, the value of x becomes 0. I hope this is clear. Yes, you could have split the middle term also, but this is like for sure you'll get the answer. You don't have the headache of splitting the middle term. Yep, that's how it is. Remember, the chapter's name is also Basic Maths. So Basic Maths is used in physics. Hold on, first few questions are on Basic Maths. The next few questions are going to be on physics. Okay, let's get ready for the next question. Now the next question is on units and dimensions. 2 statements are given. The first statement is on principle of homogeneity. The second statement is on unitless quantities. The first statement is on principle of homogeneity. The second statement is on unitless quantity. Now you have to check whether both options are correct, only one statement is correct, or none of them are correct. Okay, so think about it. The statements are coming up on your screen now. Okay, it's based on units and dimensions. So don't worry, guys. Yes, physics has started. So Sai Imadi Seti, we are going to start with vectors, bacha. Next chapter is going to be vectors from next week. Yes, 3 lectures of vectors next week. Yes, Tornado, you can also use it. You can use factorization and still find it. Yes, Tornado. But I also wanted to show you, you can use the formula just in case somebody is not comfortable with that. Okay, come on, guys. Remember, Lavish, you cannot post the answers out here. Shakir, please don't post the answers out here. Yep. You need to, yeah, make sure that the answers are posted only in the Menti Quiz. Guys, even if you're joining in late, just go to Menti Quiz, menti.com, and hit the code 547544616. You can still join it. Well, a lot of you made a mistake. A lot of you made a mistake out here. I can see that. Look at that. 45% are correct. So the correct answer is, guys, understand both the statements are correct. See, the reason for that is, okay, so the reason for that is, see, the correctness of an equation is verified using principle of homogeneity. What is this principle of homogeneity? It says if you have some terms on LHS and some terms on RHS, the dimensions on LHS is equal to dimensions of RHS. It has to be every time. So when I say velocity, all right, is displacement by time, understand the dimensions over here and the dimensions over here are going to be the same. You cannot have two different dimensions on LHS and RHS. That will be invalid. So this principle is used to verify the correctness of an equation. Yes, this is true. If there is a unitless quantity, then they will also be dimensionless. That makes sense. Think about it, guys. Unitless quantity. Example, for example, change in length upon original length. Just imagine this, change in length upon original length, or I can say probably something like initial velocity by final velocity. This could be a quantity, right? This is some quantity, let's say x, this is some quantity y. What is the dimension of x? If I ask you what is the dimension of x, well, if it is having no dimension, come on, because up and numerator and denominator, both the dimensions are going to cancel out, so it is going to be a dimensionless quantity. So if this does not have any unit, there is no unit, let's say I do not have any unit, length by length, okay, I don't have any unit, so obviously it will also be dimensionless, hence both options are correct. I hope this is clear. Yeah, you can also take refractive index. Thank you very much. Yes, Shweta, you can also take refractive index. So generally these kind of expressions work very well. So this does not have any dimensions, you can clearly see that. So they are also unitless out there. Okay, so that's the correct answer out there. Beautiful. Pavni Reddy, if you're unable to join the Telegram group, do one thing, leave a comment after the video ends. I will ping you the link and that link will work. Okay, so just don't worry about it. Yes, correcto. Let's get going. Now, I know many of you do not know Poisson's ratio and all, so that's why I didn't want to use that name. But next question, number 5, coming up on your screens. Now, the mass of a body is given something like 32.20 into 10 to the power, probably something like 10 to the power 6 kg or something. The question is, count the number of significant figures. Count the number of significant figures. Pavni Reddy, I just told you, ping later on, not now, just focus, do not spam out here, all right, or else you will get timed out. Okay, so let's see what's the question coming up on your screen. It's just based on counting the number of significant figures. Come on, guys. Hi Mumtaz Sheikh, welcome aboard to this channel, English channel for all of you for preparation of JEE. Okay, come on guys, let's see. Okay, Pranish, Arvi, this is your first Menti. Very good, very good. Come on, join in, be full of Josh. Do not forget that you can go to menti.com even if you are late and join in the Menti Quiz. It really doesn't matter even if you are late. Okay. Come on. Anjali, you're not supposed to ping over here. Yes, make sure that you do not post all the answers over here, because you have to post it only on menti.com or else you'll get timed out. Yes, 64% got it. Beautiful. Many of you have understood significant figures. That means, guys, check the number of digits. 3, 2, 2, 0. Even though there is a decimal, understand this 0 is significant. There was a rule. 0 after the decimal is significant. I have given this to you. Is significant. Remember that. So there are 4 significant figures. This 10 to the power 6 is not significant. You can write any 10 to the power. I have told you this. Only these digits are significant. So there are totally 4 digits, and hence that's the correct answer. Beautiful. Now let's have a look at the leaderboard probably after this, and then probably we can go to the next question. Yep, let's have a look at the leaderboard and then we'll go ahead. Can I get the link for micro courses, Mumtaz? Definitely. I'm compiling all the links of all the micro courses that I have taken, and don't worry, I'll definitely post it up to you. Okay, great. Glad Tharun. Yes, correcto says Komal. Okay, so we have Shiva on the top, then we have Srinidhi, I am the topper, then Pranav, then Anna Rose Thomas, then rest in peace says Physics. Oh my god, who is this guy? Kathy, then KM Singh, and then we have Tornado. Beautiful. Great, great, great. Don't worry guys, Clay Tsunami, even if you're in 12th position, it's okay. As long as you're attempting, as long as you're pushing yourself, even if you're last in the Menti Quiz, I still love you. I will still support you. I am there for you. Don't worry. See, this is a game, all right? And somebody will probably get first rank, somebody will get last rank. But that does not mean things cannot change in the future. So keep this in mind. You just need to keep working really hard. Okay? I'm not sure how I can remove it. Can I? I don't know. I don't know. Oops. I don't know. I don't think I can remove it. I don't know if I can remove. Yes, I don't know if I can remove anybody from the Menti Quiz. Can I? Is there an option? I don't know. Is there a way to remove that? Okay, I don't know. I don't think it works. Okay, cool. No problem. Okay, let's go to the next question coming up on your screen. Achha, I need to press his name, says Sherwin. Okay, I think I need to press the name. Okay, let me just try this out. Okay, let me just try this out. Okay, and oh yeah, there is an option. Yes, I did that. Okay, thank you so much. Who was that? Pranav Pai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get going. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Okay, come on guys. Yes, rapid fire. Next 5 questions, rapid fire. Yes. Let's get going. Question number 6. The dimensions of a block are given. Length, breadth, height. You should figure out what is the number of dimensions in the volume. Come on, do this. Okay. Great. All the dimensions are given, length, breadth and height. The question is number of significant figures in the volume. The final answer in the volume will be. Okay. Thank you, Sherwin. Okay. Yes, come on, come on, come on, come on guys. Yo. Come on, there are hardly few seconds left, but I'm pretty sure you would have cracked it by now. Length, breadth and height are given. You need to figure out the number of dimensions in the volume. Come on, this is 11th standard quiz guys, so what do you expect? Yep. Okay, the time is up and let's have a look at it. Beautiful, look at this. But still so many people have made mistakes. Very few people, 45% got it correct. I knew this. Even for simple questions, you are going to get confused. See guys, whenever there is multiplication, alright, for multiplication, always check the least significant figures. Now, if you check this out, 1.23, it has 3 significant figures. 7.36 has 3 significant figures. 4.2 has 2 significant figures. So the final answer must have the least of them, which is nothing but 2. Yes, so hence 2 is the correct answer. Okay, no problems. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Now there are 2 numbers given. One is a small number, one is a big number. You have to add them up and you have to tell me what is the final answer with the correct significant digits. Yes, you have to show the correct answer with correct significant digits. So you're going to get a problem on addition. So let's see how many of you can add these 2 numbers. One is a small number, one is a big number. Thank you Shiva so much. Okay, hi Khav Tugani, welcome aboard. All the people who are joining in late, don't worry, go to menti.com, enter the code 54754616. You can still participate in the Menti Quiz. There is no harm even if you join late. You never know how things can change. Okay, let's have a look. Hello Simran Bhatti, welcome aboard. All the new warriors, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that next time you do not miss our lectures, our sessions. Yes, go ahead and do that. Okay, looks like many of you got it. Beautiful. 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 8. That's 52%. And let's see how to do this problem. See guys, the way to solve this is not that difficult. This number and this number, right? So first let me take this number. So this is 5.5. This is the bigger one. All right, this is the bigger one. 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus this one. This is the smaller one. Okay, 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 12. Let me write it as 10 to the power minus 8 so that you get a hang of it. This is 10 to the power minus 12. I have to convert it into 10 to the power minus 8. So I need to shift some decimals out there. Let's see how many decimals. So this will be 3, 5, let's say. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, check this out. Yep, I hope this is clear. This much into 10 to the power minus 8. Now I think I can add them because their powers are same. So this is going to be 5.5 and 0.035 into 10 to the power minus 8. But remember, the final answer should contain the smallest of the two decimals. Now this one has one decimal. This one also has one decimal. So the final answer should only contain one decimal. So round it off. So when you round it off, what will it become? It will become 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 8. Hence, that's the answer. I hope this is clear. Hi Shivani, welcome aboard. Hi Ravindra Sahu, welcome aboard. Yes. So that's the correct answer. I hope you guys got it, understood it. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Come on guys. Now, yes. Now the next question is, there is a mass of the beaker. Mass of the beaker is given, and when water is poured, the final mass is given. The question is, what is the mass of the liquid? Mass of beaker is given, and when you pour some liquid, the final mass is given. The question is, how much liquid did you actually pour? That's the question coming up on your screen. No problem, Shivani, I know your problem out there. Yes, don't worry. Even if you are late, guys, please join in. Good evening, Palak. Hi, good evening. Hi, Sai, immediately. Welcome aboard. Vectors can be a chapter can be completed in how many lectures? So Sai, it will take 4 lectures at least. Okay, don't worry, leave that to me. That's my job. You just attend my classes, that's it. Don't worry about other things. Which is the next chapter, which is the how many lectures am I going to take? Don't worry, just follow my advices. That's it. Hi Adarsh Pal. Hello Gautam. Come on guys, go ahead to menti.com, join using the Menti code, which is 547544616. Come on guys, let's see how many of you have done this correctly. Beautiful. Lot of you got it wrong. Look at that. 29% got it wrong, 25% also got it wrong, and 44% got it correct. So let's see what you need to do. See, this is the initial mass. This is the initial mass. This is the final mass. So the mass of the water will be the final minus the initial mass. So basically 47.6 plus or minus 0.2 minus the previous value 28.2 plus or minus 0.4. Now I don't know whether you remember this, be it addition or subtraction. I had given you one rule, and what was that rule? The relative error gets added. Sorry, not the relative error, just the absolute error gets added. The error in that reading always gets added. This is the rule I had given you. I had shown you why it is true. So actually you should add them, not subtract them. So 0.2 plus 0.4 is actually 0.6. A lot of you make that mistake. 0.2, do not do 0.2 minus 0.4. That is wrong. It is 0.2 plus 0.4. Be it addition, be it subtraction, error always gets added. But this value will get subtracted. And what is the subtraction of this? Obviously that's going to be 19.4, and that's why this is the answer. Yep, I hope this is clear. Yes, correct, Monkey Luffy. Errors get added. Well, Shivani says it's easy. Beautiful. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Mumtaz, hold on. After every 5 questions, I'm going to show it, because or else it unnecessarily wastes our time. Number 1. Number 2, it also creates unnecessary pressure. So don't worry. Okay. Yes. Tarun got it correct. Beautiful. Amazing. No problem. Aztec vibes. You can still get in the first place. You never know. You never know. Now, in the next question, there is a car which decelerates from some velocity to next velocity. The question is, how much time does it take to decelerate from that higher velocity to lower velocity? So read the data carefully. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. Oh, no problem. Clay Tsunami, be careful for the next question. Yes, Komal says correct. Oh, beautiful. Ajay has got wrongo. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai. Okay. Come on, Siva, come on, do this Menti quiz. Here is the next question. A car decelerates from 3 meters per second square at 3 meters per second square from 12 meters per second to 3 meters per second. How much time does it take for this particular process? Come on, think about it. A car decelerates at 3 meters per second square from 12 to 3. How much time does it take? Okay, the time is up. Looks like many of you got it. I'm surprised that some of you actually got this wrong. I'm really surprised, guys. I mean, like, seriously, how can you get this wrong? So, the car had a velocity of 12 meters per second and final velocity is 3 meters per second. Okay, if the car decelerates, so acceleration will be negative because it is decelerating, minus 3 meters per second square. Which equation are you going to use? V is u plus at. What is V? 3. What is u? 12. What is acceleration? Minus 3. What is time? That's what I need to figure out. So just put that 3t over here. Just shift it over here and just put that 3 over there. So you are going to get 3t is equal to 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? 9, right? So what is the value of time then? The value of time is 3 seconds. That's the answer. Yep, that was very easy using first kinematic equation. V is u plus at. I hope you realize this. V is u plus a into t. That's all I have used. Cool. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Okay, let's do this. Now the next question. There is a car which moves somewhere and then it moves somewhere. The distances are given, the directions are given. Question is to find average velocity. The car moves somewhere and then it moves somewhere else. Time is given, distances, direction, everything is given. Question is to find average velocity with direction. Okay, here comes the question up on your screen. Don't worry, Pooja, happens. That's why these Menti quizzes are conducted. Because I know you guys buckle under pressure. And I want you to get used to the pressure and tackle this pressure eventually so that you can crack the JEE examination. Okay, so the car moves 60 kilometers, okay, and then 90 kilometers. Okay, car moves 60 kilometers east, guys. I think that east word is missing. Okay, just east word is missing. So the car moves 60 kilometers east. Please keep that in mind. The car moves 60 kilometers east and then 90 kilometers west. In a total time of 3 hours, what is the average velocity? What is the average velocity? Okay, and there we have the answer. Oops, looks like a lot of you made a mistake. Be careful, be careful. This is not the correct answer, guys. I mean, see guys, I'll tell you what. The car moves 60 kilometers, okay, east and then 90 kilometers west. 60 east, 90 west. This is east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. So that means it has actually moved only 30 kilometers. And what is average velocity? It is displacement divided by time, not distance. Most of you have taken distance, I guess. So the displacement is only 30. Time is 3. So it is 10 kilometers per hour. And which direction is it? It is obviously in the west direction. That's how it is. Oh, no problem. Happens. Okay. So that's why, guys, I told you in case there is probably some mistake in the slide. So please keep a tab on whatever I'm saying on YouTube. So when you hear me and you see this Menti quiz, that will be better. So keep it on separate tabs. Hopefully that will help. Okay, let's get going to the next question up here. Okay, let's also have a look at the leaderboard out here. Okay, and there we have, who is the topper out here? Well, Shiva Kashyap, the truck, then Shami, Chinmay, I'm the topper, not yet maybe. Rest in peace, physics. Oh my god. Okay, Pavitra was very fast. Aishwarya, Srinidhi, Anurag and Ronik. Beautiful, guys. Amazing. Beautiful. So Shiva and Shami are battling it out. Come on, guys, give them a tough fight. I really want new names up on the leaderboard. Yes, let's do this. Okay, next question coming up on your screen. Now, last 5 questions, remember, after this question, the winner will be declared after these few questions. Yes, the last 5 questions. So get ready. The questions are going to get slightly tougher, I guess. Now, I'll tell you what is the question. There is a diagram given. That's not so important. There is a point A, there is a point B. There is a particle which goes along that path from point A to point B. The particle goes from point A to point B as shown in the diagram. The displacement of the particle does not depend on, read the question carefully, the displacement of the particle does not depend on which of the following. So read the question carefully and try and answer. And here comes the question up on your screen. There are 5 options most likely up on your screen. Be careful. Yes. Okay. It does not depend on the location of A, does not depend on location of B. It does not depend on the direction of A to B, or does it not depend on the distance traveled from A to B, or does it not depend on the shortest distance between A and B? Come on, figure it out. It's not so difficult. You should be able to get it. Akriti, the next Menti will happen after vectors. Vectors and kinematics and all these things. So after every chapter, I'm planning a Menti quiz. I'm hoping that will be really beneficial for all of you. Okay. Atharva Kanasi, I have already done Waves one-shot revision in Zero to Hero series. You can go check it out. It's there already in the playlist. Okay. Okay. Winner wins lots of love, lots of appreciation, and lots of blessings. So guys, it's not always about getting a prize. You should learn the art of appreciating the smaller things. And remember, only when you think about the long-term goals, only then you can start motivating yourself. So if you always think in terms of, oh, what prize am I going to get, then it will be bad. It is not going to help you in the long run. Okay, yes. So it does not depend on the distance traveled. Beautiful, guys. That's the correct answer. I mean, come on, think about it. If I go from point A to point B, the displacement which is there will not depend on how I go. I might go like this also. My distance traveled could be more. Doesn't matter. My distance traveled could be even like this. I might go like this. Doesn't matter. My initial and final locations are same. So it does not depend on the distance. Displacement only depends on initial position, final position, direction, and also this distance, shortest distance, not on the distance. Yes, that's based completely on definition. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Oh, aesthetic, don't worry. That's also going to come when the chapter comes. Okay. Yes, Shimon sir gave Lamborghini to the winners. My God, crazy. Okay. Question number 12. Now, question number 12, I'll tell you what the data is. Find 1.004 raised to 6. Hint, binomial approximation. Come on. Binomial approximation. Come on, think about it. Yes. Come on, guys. Let's see how many of you can do this. Yep. Yes, Chiranjeevi, Sujay, I do remember you. How can I forget you? Come on, come on, come on, come on. When do I take a class on gravitation? DOS-M. Gravitation chapter will come towards the end of 11th standard. So that time I will be teaching it properly. But if you want, I have already conducted Flash series gravitational sessions. It's already there in the past videos. You can definitely go ahead and find it out. Okay. Hello, Manjula. Namaste. Welcome aboard. Okay. Easy. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Use binomial approximation. Okay. Thank you for the hint. How is COVID, says Gautam Jetli. I don't know how is COVID. Nobody asked how COVID is. You should ask how we are. COVID is doing fine only. Okay. Oh, already Pranish Charvi said that. Okay, guys. So, yes, very good. 1.024, and that's the correct answer. And the simple way to solve this is use binomial approximation. I have told you 1 plus x whole raised to n is 1 plus nx. That's the formula. So, this is 1 plus 0.004 whole raised to 6. Now this is x, n is 6. So guys, this will be 1 plus n into 0.004. Now 6 into 4, 24. So this is going to be 0.024 and this is going to be 1.024. That's the answer. That's the easy way of doing this. Remember, this is called binomial approximation. In case you have missed the class, watch the bridge course classes. in case you have missed it. Okay, let's get going to the next one coming up on your screen now. Now I'll tell you what is given. Force is given. Yes, force is given equal to AT plus BT square. You can write it down. Force is A into T. A is some constant, not acceleration. A into time plus B is another constant into T square. The question is, what will be the dimensional formula for A and B, which are some two constants? Come on. Yes, let's see how many of you can do this. Beautiful question coming up on your screen. Come on, let's see. Come on, guys. Okay. Yes. Let's focus on the session, please. Sharaji Sujay. Okay. Hi, Laksh. Welcome aboard. Come on. Think carefully. I've given you more time. Remember, the last few questions will have slightly more time because it might need some more time. The difficulty keeps increasing slowly. Thiru, this is a JEE channel, so obviously we'll cover both syllabuses. And whatever lectures we are conducting, that's JEE Mains plus Advanced. It's not for JEE Mains. It's for both. Number two, we also have Killer 5 series for special JEE Advanced problems only. So yes, we do everything. Yeah. Thank you. Glad to know that, Ashok Allen. Yep. Let's see how many of you can do this. Yep. I hope you guys are also enjoying the Menti Quiz, because the whole motive of Menti Quiz is because all those people who cannot probably join the pro subscription, they should get some feeling of the test, something like mock test. That's the reason I conduct mock test, guys, over here. I want you to get that competition. I want you to actually compete with all the students throughout India. So get in your friends, challenge them, come on, participate. Let's see how well you can do this. So that's the reason why we are doing these Menti Quizzes. Plus it will test your concepts. Look at that. So many people are doing so many mistakes. So it's okay. It's okay. No problem. You will learn in the due process. Okay. So here is the thing. See, guys, force is kg meter per second square. Force is in newtons. Newtons is kg meter per second square. Kg is mass, meter is length, per second square is this. So that's the dimensional formula for force. By homogeneity principle, each term should have the same dimension. Okay, let's just do this. A into T. T will also have the dimension of time plus B into T square. Please understand, each term should have this dimension. So ML by T square should be A into T dimensionally. So you can put that T over here. So dimensions of A will be ML by T cube. That's the dimensions of A. Similarly, this dimension and this dimension should be similar. So ML by T square should be BT square dimensionally. So B will be equal to ML by T raised to 4. So that's the answer. Okay, great. So Mayul, the next chapter is going to be, yes, vectors. Glad, Tsunami, you're proud to be a Vedan. Chinmay Pense, how to do time management in Menti. See, it's simple. Number one, you should know your concepts thoroughly in and out. If you are lacking with speed, then that means you are either slow in calculations or you are really hasty in probably overlooking some things. So read carefully. Don't worry about solving the question fast. Worry about solving the question. That's it. That's it. Okay, and read the question in between, whether there is a word like not, is, are, I don't know, maybe, not correct, all these kind of things. That's what you should look for, and see whether you can do it by elimination. So if you practice at home the questions in a proper way without looking at the answers, then you can also answer the mock test Menti quiz questions in a very time efficient manner. So when you practice at home, after the concepts are clear, make sure you do not look at the answers behind, and also set a time bound nature for solving all the questions. Thank you, Anthony. You're seeing me after a long time. Glad to see you also here. Please keep attending all the classes regularly. And sir, should we learn from NCERT? Yes, Pooja, you should do that. Menti for 12th, Manjula, it will happen obviously after every chapter. I hope you have been attending the Menti quizzes of 12th also. We have been doing that. Yes, so we have been doing that Menti quizzes for 12th standard also. So get ready for the 14th question, guys. So is there any difference? Well, Thiru, in pro subscription, you might also get many more things. I'll come to that. Here's the next question, by the way. Velocity, force and work are given by these numbers. What will be the correct way of representing mass? more time for this because you might need some time. Very good. Hi Kashmir the Paradise, welcome aboard. Hi Manjula, yo. Okay, so Mumtaz has joined the Telegram. Very good. Hi Simran Bhatti, welcome. This is for JEE students, but if you are a NEET student, you can still attend this class. I'm not going to shoo you away because the physics part is obviously the same, but the questions might differ in pattern. That's all, eventually. Okay, come on guys, let's see how many of you can do this. Velocity, force and work. Think logically, you will get it. If you think very systematically, then probably you might get the answer, but after a long time. No problem, Chiranjeevi, it's okay. Hi Nagraj, welcome aboard. Okay, glad Manju you're doing well, very good. Come on guys, figure this out. Sai, please don't answer out here. Answer is E. Yes, correct, Shreyas, answer is E. Perfect. Please tell me, I'm going to join. Thirum Malam, the difference is, I don't know, the test series that you will get assignments, you will get Tattva module, you will also get doubt solving inside the class. Yes, inside the class only there is another teacher who is ready to solve all your doubts for a small group of students. That's the difference, if you want to know. And apart from that, you have quizzes, leaderboards just like this in every class, not just Menti quizzes. And you can watch the recordings. Also, whatever the teacher writes, you get it in the form of PDF notes available till the end of the subscription. Yep, don't worry about it. Okay, a lot of you made a mistake and here it is. Menti for 2021. Siva, you can attend both the Mentis. That's the best part, Siva. 2022 Menti, 2023, 11th and 12th Menti both. So I'll tell you, some of you might have done this. Let me see how many of you have done this. Mass is V raised to alpha, F raised to beta into work raised to gamma. Remember, I have told you dimensional analysis. If you don't know the formula, assume some things. You can assume something like V raised to X, F raised to Y, W raised to Z, and then equating dimensionals. Yes, doing dimensional analysis, you will get the value of X, you will get the value of Y, and you will get the value of Z using dimensional. Yes, using dimensional analysis. How many of you did this and got the answer? How many of you did this? Option checking gang says Clay Tsunami. Oh my god, great. Tattva is the best book, Amanaditya. Okay, so this is a lengthy way. I'll tell you a shortcut trick. The shortcut trick is this. You should use your brain, work, energy, mass, velocity. Which is that formula which relates all of them? Kinetic energy, guys. Kinetic energy is half mv square, correct? And remember, dimensions of kinetic energy and dimensions of work, aren't they the same? Aren't they the same dimensionally? Same dimensions, work and kinetic energy, joules, obviously. So if you look at this, this is dimensionally work. This is half is dimensionless. The dimensions of half is nothing. Dimensions of mass and dimension of v square, of course. This half is dimensionless number. So what is mass then? The dimensions of mass. It is the dimensions of work divided by v square. That's it. Done, done, done. Done, done, done. No work kinetic energy theorem, just normal formula. Yaar. That's what it is. I hope you understood. Now this is proper question. Now guys, if you stay with me, I'm going to teach you all these kind of tricks throughout all the sessions. If you do not stay with me, it's okay. You can miss out all the sessions. You can miss out all the tricks and you can solve all the questions in this way. Do you want to be red or do you want to be black? Do you want to be red or do you want to be black? Come on, answer in the chat box before we go to the last question for today. How many of you want to be red? How many of you want to be black? You want to be red or black? Oh, a lot of black hearts out there. Yeah. Okay. Tarun, why do you want to be red, man? Okay. So 20-20-20 rule. Great. Somebody wants to be both. They want to be red and black. Okay, that's good enough. That's good. I take it. Okay, beautiful. Guys, are you ready for the last question for your day? And that's going to probably declare your winner. And the last question for the day is going to be on length and breadth. Yes, length is given, breadth is given. The question is L by B is equal to how much? Yeah, the question is going to come up on your screens. Now get ready for the Menti winner. Yes, the last question is up on your screen. Length is given, breadth is given. Question number 15 on 15. And there you go. Woohoo! Let's see what it's going to be. Oh yes, definitely Badri, you can definitely catch up. You can, because there is a lot of time. And I feel in fact you should. You should in fact join the 17th course if you want to. But if you think you do not have enough time, then I would advise you to please join the next date course. Look at your timetable, look at your capability, you know yourself better. If you think you can, definitely go ahead with 17th May. Okay, very good. Sir, I'm new, I'm getting it difficult. Chitarambas Murthy, please don't spam. First of all, number one. Number two, if you attend all my classes, then you will be able to solve all these questions. If you attend my classes regularly, if you do my homework, if you follow the books I tell you, if you just have faith in me, and if you're following all the lectures on JEE Enthuse, trust me, you can do all these questions. Nobody can stop you. Just read the books that I'm telling you. So from now on, make sure you hit the subscribe button, attend our lectures regularly, and whichever lectures you have missed, check it out from the playlist. Okay, don't worry. How will the schedule of the crash course class? Badri, there will be almost 2 classes per day. Yeah, roughly 2 classes on weekdays. Thank you, Nagaraj. Oh my God, Sabriti is devil. Okay, hardly few seconds left. I've given you a lot of time. Yo, all Vedans are unstoppable. Very good. Is Tattva a good book than Narendra Avasthi? Well, Mehul, see, the thing is, Tattva is a very good compilation of all the questions. That's what I would say. It's not just for physics. It's for physics, chemistry, maths. So that's why I'm saying it's a good book. Plus, it contains basic questions, advanced questions, previous year's mains, previous year's advanced. So that's why it's a good book. Oh my God, look at that. Did you just see that? Oh my God, look at that. Last question. Oh, full on, gone. No, that's like 10%. Okay, look at that. Let's see how to do this before I show you who is the winner. Okay, let's see. First of all, what you should do is, let's assume x is L by B. X is L by B. Remember power rule. Express it as power. L raised to 1 into B raised to minus 1. So this x is what you need to find, L by B. This L by B is, let's say, x. Remember that rule I have told you? Delta x by x, relative error. The power will come, modulus of 1 into delta L by L plus the power's modulus again, okay, into delta B by B. I have told you this so many times. I have told you this. Okay, great. गौरव गेमिंग मुझे अच्छे से हिंदी आती है, ऐसा नहीं मेरे को हिंदी नहीं आती. Just that this is an English medium channel, बच्चा. So that's why we are going to make sure that we converse in English. अच्छा. Now what is this x? X is L by B, right? Okay, just let me put it over here. X is L by B. What is L? L is 40. What is B? B is 20. 40 by 20, 2. Okay, so this value is 2. I don't know what is the value of delta x. I don't know. This is 2. This is delta L by L. Delta L is 0.02 divided by 40. Okay, great. Plus minus 1's modulus is 1. Delta B is 0.01. Okay, divided by 20. Achha. So what we can do is that we can cancel 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. And this will become 10, I suppose. And then we can also cancel that 2 from here as well. This will become 1. This will also become 10 then, I guess. Yes, this will become 10. Yeah. Okay, great. So what will delta x be equal to? 0.01 by 10 plus 0.01 by 10. 2 times 0.01 by 10, which is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So delta x value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. I hope this is clear. Good evening, Darshan. Okay, so this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So finally, what is the value of L by B? It will be x. What is the value of x? 2. Plus or minus delta x. Remember, L by B is x plus or minus delta x, actually speaking. So x value is 2 plus or minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is the answer. Got it? This is how you need to do division. A lot of people also asked me on Instagram or even on the comments, sir, how to do division? This is how you need to do division of errors. Understood? Same thing. If this was 2, 3, doesn't matter. Just this number will change. This number will come over here. Remember that. So express it in powers and that's it. You're sorted for life. And now it's time to reveal. We are going to start the next chapter next Monday. Yes, next week. Get ready. Oh, by the way, remember Saturday there is going to be a special session for you guys at 7 o'clock. And let's have a look at the leaderboard and who is going to be the topper. Okay. My God, it's crazy tie. Look at that. Oh my God, it's Sivakasha with 11,614 points. Beautiful. Amazing, Sivakasha. Congratulations. Very good, Shami. Very good, Chinmay Pense. Very good, I'm the topper. Very good, I'm Pavitra. Minion Shreyas Kapri. Wow, thank you so much. And there we have Srinidhi, we have Clay Tsunami, we have Tornado, and we have Anurag with the hamburger. And guys, I know a lot of heroes are there behind this screen who have worked really hard, but fell short of few things because of some mistakes. But I hope today you have realized those mistakes and stay with us, stay with me, and we'll fight it together. Because in this battle, you are not alone, you are with me, and we are going to work even harder. The next chapter is going to be vectors. So come prepared. Start reading from H.C. Verma. Remember, we are preparing for JEE 2023. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's not become complacent. Let's not, get carried away in all those, beautiful memories of 10th standard. And I know you do not have exams. I know you have not yet enrolled in many of the colleges that you are supposed to. So do not wait for it. The game has begun. The competition has begun. And you have already started your journey with the first few chapters. So get ready for the next chapter. Thank you guys very much. And congratulations to all of you out here. And please do not forget to hit the like button down there. If you enjoyed today's Menti Quiz, did you enjoy? Did you learn a lot? Yes, please hit that. And hit the subscribe button in case you are not yet subscribed to our channel. Yeah, and the entire PDF will be available in the description box below, as well as in the Telegram group for all the updates. Please join it. Bye bye, hasta la vista. This was Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu.